Something that I really like about 3D printing is the ability to use it to solve unique problems. And I have a couple examples of this in my classroom. For example, one thing I do like is I can keep my door locked, but so students can still come in. I can simply turn around and take this little rocket here with a magnet in it, and now my door will close most of the way, but enough that students can open it. If I need to lock it quickly, I can remove the rocket out of the way. I also have a coat hook right here that I just glued a magnet onto, and now I have a place that I can hang my coat. But I mean, it can be solving all sorts of problems. One of the first things I ever did when I got a 3D printer is I actually had a tape dispenser that was missing the middle. And I was able to 3D print a middle for it so I could keep using this tape dispenser. I even have one of the shelves here down on the bottom was missing the little thing there, and of course I was able to recreate one, so I have a shelf that still works. All sorts of things can be solved with 3D printing. So for the next thing that I want you to do, I want you to think about problems that you have in your house that you could possibly solve with 3D printing. Come up with 5 different problems at least, and really define the problem. Talk about why it's a problem. Maybe talk to your parents. Say, hey, what is a problem that maybe we could solve? Now, not all problems are going to be solvable with 3D printing. Be aware of that. And so you want to be aware that coming up with 5 really good ideas might give you some different opportunities.